Recording is rolling. It is Monday, January 12th. So, okay, debrief AP Classroom Unit 5 with you guys today. Unit 6 is open. I haven't even got to this content yet. There's like angular momentum and a few things on it, but we're going to focus on the torque and rotational inertia and also kinematic motion. Guys, want to turntable?
No, I'm going to go back.
All right. Guys, this last weekend I did put together your next quiz. We're going to do something a little different. So, guys, next quiz is going to be an in-class quiz. We're going to split this up over 2 days. So there's going to be 6 questions on day 1, 6 questions on day 2. Day 1 is going to focus on Unit 5, which is the material we've covered so far. And day 2 is going to cover material that we'll cover in the next few days. Yeah, look.
How hard is it going to be?
It's equal difficulty to the quizzes that I've been giving you guys all along. It's just on this content. Okay, so it's like similar difficulty to the same quizzes that you guys have been doing. But it's going to be in class over 2 days, 6 and 6.
Okay. The take-home quizzes are the ones that we do.
Okay, yeah, guys. Last few quizzes have been take-home quizzes. Yeah, it's like equal difficulty to those. Yeah. Actually, we did do an in class back in December. I think that was a little easier. Yeah.
What if we don't finish it the day of?
Well, I think you guys will finish your class, so that's kind of what I'm planning on. Yeah. Okay.
Is it like one paper with both?
No, it's 2 separate papers. So it'll be 1 paper one day and 1 paper the next day. That's how it's going. Okay. All right. So that's what we're doing there. All right, guys. A little bit of follow up from last week. You guys remember last week we did pull up these puzzles and we're looking at a few of them. All right. The very last one, this number 1 up here. You guys remember this block on this pulley that importantly has rotational inertia. It has some mass and radius. Okay. And so I showed you guys basically how to set this up, but I made a tiny mistake that I do want to point out for your notes. So if you guys were taking notes last week, I'm point this out to you. So here's the setup. Right, here's what I told you guys. The question they were asking for, well, it turns out there's 4 unknowns in the system. So I'll let you guys figure that out, right? Torque, the tension, the strain, the angular acceleration, and also the linear acceleration of the mass, right? What I messed up on was setting up this expression right here. So the tension pulling up on the weight and the weight itself pulling down, like gravitational force. Okay. I accidentally reversed this, so I can correct it by putting in a negative sign right here. Guys, this negative sign is what I missed in your notes last week. So can you guys update your notes from last week? Okay. You just have to pop it in negative. Right? Because if you don't have the negative, it turns out you get answers that don't make any sense. Right? But if you include the negative, the answers work out really great. Right? By the way, did anybody go home and actually solve this all the way? Might be a good thing to do. Good practice, right? I mean, walk through the physics with you guys. Just again, review the video or your notes from last Friday for the setup. Just make this little amendment right here. Just slap in a little negative right there. Right? And then everything else is algebra. You guys see it's going to be 4 equations. I circled the 4 equations. So there are 4 independent equations, 4 unknowns. Then you guys can solve it. Right? It might be good practice, right? Guys, you guys know the more you practice, the better you're going to learn this stuff.